Hey guys, what's going on? Some of the best trades I've put together utilizing short-term options depend on identifying a certain pattern. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through real lightning fast through 3 stocks that are showing the exact same pattern. And oftentimes, it's not about how great the news the stock is reporting, but more importantly, the reaction to the news. So this is how a lot of bulls get trapped. This is how a lot of short sellers that pay attention make a ton of money. So the 3 stocks we're going to take a look at today is Moderna, ticker MRNA. We're going to take a look at REGN and NVAX. And I may just throw one extra one in there, BTNX. So all of these stocks, they are related to COVID-19. All of them have favorable news, but the charts are pointing to a huge opportunity on the short side. And so if you are interested in understanding how to make money when stocks drop, pay very close attention to a simple pattern I'm going to show you in this video. Yes, we have been taking some of these trades with our coaching students already, but the opportunity is still there. So let me break this down to you guys in as little as 5 minutes. So chart of mRNA seems to be highly positive news, but the stock is topping. You've got a definite divergence here on the RSI, meaning that at these higher level, as the price actually tries to move higher, the RSI actually drops. That's a bearish side. You've got a situation where we've got a negative cross developing on the MACD, and we're fixing to cross, which communicates to you there could be a much bigger drop in the making here. Now, why is the stock dropping? It just filed with an FDA for an accelerated approval for a different age group and different applications of vaccines. So what is going on? And wouldn't it make sense, as now we live in the world of COVID-19 and looks like a lot of countries are shutting down again, that this could actually be positive for Moderna? But no, the stock is down $25 in the last few trading sessions. And could this move actually continue? So what we're watching on this chart is, yes, after the positive news comes out, the stock hits the top and it slowly begins to drop. Now, this drop could accelerate all the way down to 180, 169 bucks. And the catalyst would be the June 18th review of the side effects for Moderna vaccine. So pay very close attention. This stock could unravel substantially lower going further. Particularly pay attention to the price action in Moderna on June the 18th, which is about 48 hours from now. Now, let's take a look at the next stock and pay very close attention, guys, right here. So as the good news is revealed to the market, the stock hits the top and then it drops. And there's clearly some divergences already present on the chart, which could only accelerate to the downside. Now, the next chart we're going to take a look at is NVAX. Well, NVAX in the last couple of days had incredibly great news as far as its vaccine. All of a sudden, there are analysts that are naming it the best world wonder in the vaccine space ever. It's better than all the vaccines combined all of a sudden. So the stock moves to the moon temporarily. What do we call this? Short the bounce type opportunity. So the stock bounces right here. You want to short it in the last 3 days. The stock is down to the magnitude of 25%. All the way hitting this 228 level down to 173. That is a highly profitable move, guys, if you trade in weekly options. So NVX, same story as with Moderna. What appears to be highly positive news is developing into a highly bearish pattern right here. And look, it's confirmed on the chart. Damn right. Look at these people getting out. Accumulation, distribution have not had such a meaningful nosedive until this area right here on the chart. Look at that. So we could still have a move lower here, but this one already come down quite a bit. So the question is, if you were to take a trade, well, I'm going to show you one more right here before I'm going to reveal the easiest trade here. So NVX, same conditions. Positive news, negative reaction. You've got BNTX. Top. Got a top information followed by 3 consecutive drops. How could this be? All of these stocks have highly positive news. but yet highly negative reactions. I guess you guys see the point now. This was a predecessor in high strong volume. Repetition of that is taking place right now. Bearish cross, accumulation. People can still sell. A ton of people can still sell. So huge move possibly developing in this one right here. But it is a correlation type trade, guys, that we describe in thorough detail how to identify and find these correlation type trades in our Trade Like a Rockstar course, which, by the way, I've referenced the link below this video. If you have not taken our Trade Like a Rockstar course, this is your chance. We're fixing to go into a earnings season here in the next few weeks. It would be to your advantage to study the material in that course so you can identify the correlations, because it's the correlation type trades that often get you paid as a rockstar trader opposed to any other trades out there. So, and here's the trade of the day, REGN. This one has not dropped nowhere nearly as much, and all we're trying to do, guys, it's simple. We've sent out the alert earlier today when the stock was trading at 538 bucks, suggesting to buy 525 strike puts. Since then, we're down 10 bucks, but we believe there's still plenty more room in the stock to drop, and particularly REGN announced some COVID-19 related good news, and it temporarily bounces, and it creates this short the bounce type opportunity again here. So we got a situation where I got three other stocks that recently have reported what seems to be highly positive news for each of these stocks, but we're getting a negative reaction. So I would say with about 80% probability here, 85% plus probability here, that we're going to see REGN, after this positive news development, have a negative reaction. Where could we go? 515 clearly, but potentially we can hit the 500 area. Guys, if you want to work with a coach, if you'd like to get to know these trades before they actually make these big moves, because clearly I am revealing this trade to you, but it's about $10 from the point when we were actually taking the trade with our students. So if you'd like to be a part of the group, guys, we only got a couple of spots available right now. You can click the link below, schedule a 20-minute coaching call. You can click the link, sign up for some of the courses if that's what you're looking for, to learn how to identify moves and correlation type trades on your own like this. But if your goal is to trade the market actively in the next 72 hours, here's your opportunity to click the link below, get signed up, and trade with us tomorrow. Let's rock. Don't miss out on some of the greatest trades in the next 72 to 96 hours. The market's about to move. The question is, are you ready?